Thank you. Love this. I'm so lucky. Thank you.
बाबू फोन
such a special presence of yours over here. So this is the first membership card to Simran Ahuja.
Wow. VIP Platinum Global Membership Card of Country Club. Country Club rocks.
Country Club rocks.
And we all know that our Honorable Prime Minister has been instrumental in motivating people across the world. Actually, it is in fact, look at me. I have lost about 20 kgs in the last 3 years.
Wow.
And it is only because of the inspiration what I have gained through yoga. Just COVID, I know what I do. Normally, I am a very swimmer. I swim about 1 kilometer per day. But after this COVID, I also included yoga in my regimen. And I myself I've been to Australia and New Zealand in the last 2 months. And I studied the ecosystem and the tourism protection. And we are also in talks with the government of New Zealand. Whether we could send any opportunity there. So, my dear friends, now today whenever we talk about country clubs expansion globally. So let us see where we go, and I'm sure I think with the membership base of about 2 million people, and several clients also who are almost vendors to the product and our co-finance product. I'm sure I think we have a long way to go. So I wish you all luck.
This is absolutely a beautiful, delightful moment for us at the grand unveiling of our utmost prestigious VIP Platinum Global Membership Card at Country Club, with the completion of 35 years of Country Club, and with this very special 10th International Yoga Day, which really coincides very beautifully where we are unveiling our very amazing VIP Platinum Global Card. Country Club at your global step. Now, Country Club at your doorstep became Country Club at your global step because we went global, where we had 0.2 million people joining us. Mr. India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on the 15th of March 2020, announced for taking a holiday because of the pandemic. And 16th of March, I called our respected chairman, Rajiv Reddy sir, who's a trailblazer, that sir, can we do online yoga? Sir said Country Club at your doorstep, which went viral, for which we received several accolades across the world. I was truly honored to be presented a medallion 2 weeks back at Chicago by our Honorable US Congressman Danny K. Davis sir. But it all started with sir's idea that we should give yoga to the world. Sir, if you remember, we went live with those who are not even on Facebook, the Japanese ladies who
మీడియా వాళ్ళు కూడా గంట సేపు చెప్తే ఆసనాలు వేస్తున్నాయి మన రంగులో మామూలుగా
down and
అన్నా ఇంకా రండి
Come up, look up at the ceiling, slowly come up high on your toes, come into the downward dog, lift the butt up and hold it there. Alright, lift the left leg up and bend from the knee. Hold it there, look at your navel, a beautiful stretch, crossover leg and bend from the knee. Downward dog with a leg lift, cross. Between your hands is your foot. Both feet together. Hold it there. Slowly breathe in. Stretch. And breathe out. Face the center. Doing Vrikshasana. Absolutely focused on any one point. The beautiful concentration. Join your hands together. Slowly take them out. Prayer. Thank you for the music. No music. No music, please. Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti. Try and focus on any one point and lift those hands up. We have the wheel. 2, 3. Country Club Horse. To Country Club for taking this initiative of spreading yoga to the world, which is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Right from 2020, the 15th of March, when pandemic was announced, the 16th of March itself, our trailblazer, the very dynamic Rajiv Reddy ji from Country Club, the chairman, respected chairman, took this initiative of truly spreading yoga to the world in a very beautiful way. So the entire 5 months, regularly, without taking a miss any single day, every day, we have the workshops, Country Club at your doorstep. We went live from Facebook page where we had people from South America, Canada, Japan, where these ladies were not on Facebook. Just through word of mouth, they joined Facebook just to do yoga and joined the page of Country Club Facebook page just to do yoga at Country Club at your doorstep. And today I'm very fortunate, sir, that Country Club gave me this opportunity, and tomorrow I'm flying to New York. I have my workshops at New York and at Atlanta, and everything is by your grace. I'm also having received ones of families to come together, as they always say, families who come together swing together. So this is a beautiful moment for all of us to have this spectacular.
This day to mark the International Yoga Day celebrations. I draw a lot of inspiration from Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. In fact, last 3 years, I have lost about 25 kgs. I am a living example. Yes! I'm a perennial swimmer. I swim about every 45 minutes, 1 kilometer every day. But then I added yoga to my regimen, and look at the result. Being a brand ambassador of the Country Club is definitely a very big motivational course for me, and I'm very happy that all the members of the Country Club have benefited from this unique experience. In fact, yoga at your doorstep has been one of the biggest success stories in recent times. But more than a few lakhs of people used to attend, and Simran has done a great job. Give her a big hand for that.
Thank you.
And today also we have launched the VIP Platinum membership card. We have seen after the COVID, the economy has been really growing. During the COVID period, the hospitality industry has been very badly hit. But then we have recovered. In fact, the company has become zero debt company during the COVID period, and this has also given us a lot of boost to go ahead and try to explore new markets. With this intention, we started a new card, and like I was telling you earlier, hotels, airports, airlines are totally packed. So only goes to say that our economy is growing in a big way, and Kanti Club being a part of the biggest part of the leisure industry, the true barometer success, number of people who are coming in and out of the country. We are given more than 50,000 holidays, second to none actually. And as we go further, we are engaging in dialogue with Airbnb and other big global partners. I'm sure, I think this coming year is going to be a great year, and I'm sure, I think people of this country will be proud to say that they are Indians first and then global citizens. So my dear friends, I thank you all for assembling here at short notice, and let's take yoga to everybody. Yoga is our ancient Indian culture, and it is the best gift of yoga what we have given to the rest of the world. So please cheers for that, and all God bless. Take care.